Hey everyone! Right now, this type of AI plant growth video is going insanely viral on Instagram. If you also want to create reels like these, make sure you watch this video till the end. In this tutorial, I'll show you the easiest step-by-step method to create videos like this. So, without wasting any time, let's get started. First of all, you need to copy this prompt. You'll find the prompt on my Telegram channel, so go there and copy it. Next, install ChatGPT from the Play Store and open it. Once you open the app, you'll see an interface like this. Simply paste the prompt here, then tap the send button. As soon as you send it, ChatGPT will generate a list of 10 different plants. Now choose the plant you want to create a video for by entering its code number. For example, I want to create a mango plant growth video, and mango is number 10 on the list, so I'll type 10 and send it. Now ChatGPT will start generating a detailed video prompt. As you can see, I'm entering 10, sending it, and the prompt is being generated. Once it's ready, simply copy the prompt. Just press and hold on the text, then tap copy. After copying the prompt, go back and install the FI app from the Play Store. Open the app, and if you're using it for the first time, sign in with your email account. Once you're inside the app, tap the New button. You'll see an interface like this. Now tap the image icon, select Video, choose the 9:16 aspect ratio, set it to 1 by, and select a 10-second duration. Next, paste the prompt you copied from ChatGPT into the prompt box. After that, tap the send button. Your AI video will start generating. Just wait for about 10 to 20 seconds, and your video will be ready. While the video is generating, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and leave a nice comment below. As you can see, my video has been generated successfully. Let me play it once so you can see the result. And that's it. You can create as many AI plant growth videos as you want using this method. To download the video, simply tap the 3-dot menu at the top, then tap the download icon to save it to your device. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss my upcoming videos. I'll see you in the next one. Until then, take care and thanks for watching.